Hey guys, this is Jim from Jim Crypto. I'm making this video because I'm going to be talking about building and deploying a tricky smart contract bot built on Solidity that gives an easy passive income every day and is going to allow us to inject our transaction with a higher gas fee, 1 GUI higher than the transaction which is trying to be entered. This will allow our transaction to be processed first, and we will also process a sell order within the same block. So essentially the victim's transaction gets sandwiched between ours, and we make a profit after slippage difference in the transaction. To start off, make sure you have MetaMask installed and connected to your Ethereum mainnet. So after you do that, we go to Remix Ethereum Compiler. Remix Ethereum is a Web3 application allowing us to develop, deploy, and compile and launch smart contracts which are coded in the Solidity language. Head over to the sidebar to the left and create new contract in the folder. We're going to name it bot.sol. So next, if you looked in the description, I've included a link to this code right here. You just need to copy and paste that and put it in the main body. This is our front running bot contract that I've created. Go up here. You can see here the ETH contract address. That's what we're going to be competing against. You can copy and paste those and look at it. Okay, we've got everything there. Next, we're going to make sure that the compiler is matching with our with the 0.66. So we'll click that. Make sure the language is Solidity, compiler default, and go ahead and press compile bot.sol. Okay. Looks good. So now click on the deploy and run transactions. Go ahead and change the JavaScript VM London to Injected Web 3. Go ahead and press next. It's going to connect to your MetaMask. And then after you get done doing that, press deploy. And then press confirm. You're going to want to, after you press confirm, you're going to want to go ahead and make sure that the gas fee is set on the highest, if you're able to do that. For example, I was being cheap and I did it on the load, and it took forever to go through, so I got impatient and canceled. So yeah, if you go and edit it, go to the highest setting if you're able. It's usually just a little bit more. Save it. And then go ahead and punch it through. Confirm it. And you'll see down here it says it's pending. And there we go. That went through. So now we can go over and you'll see the different buttons here. This is Start Bot button, the Withdraw button. We have the token name, token symbol. We go ahead and copy that address and go ahead and go to etherscan.io. Go ahead and paste that. And you'll see that, hey, our contract is created. The next step is go ahead and copy that address again. Go to your MetaMask extension. And what we're doing now is funding the contract. So go ahead and make sure you copy the right thing. Go to MetaMask. Copy and paste the contract address. Now I recommend doing at least 0.5 ETH, but you can do different. So you can see here, I accidentally put in 1500. Yeah, the more that you put in there, the better return you get. Go ahead and press confirm. Okay, that's waiting to go through. And once that goes through, okay, that should have done it. We'll go ahead and refresh the contract address, see if it's in there. Okay, so it's pending. You see it right there, 1.4 ETH. So now we funded the bot. You go ahead and we're going to go ahead and start the bot. I recommend doing it for 24 hours. And then we'll check back after 24 hours and see what we've made. Hey guys, so went ahead and pressed withdraw, and the first withdrawal I didn't follow my own rule and I have to redo it and set the gas prices higher. So you do that. Like I said, it's really not that much more. Go ahead and put that through. Alright, withdraw pending. Let's see if this works, and it just did. Perfect. Go to MetaMask. And as you see, we've made roughly about $1,400 in 24 hours. Like I said, some days are better, some days get a little less than that. And like I said, it works in any market. If the market's down, like it has been, you're still making good money. If it's up, you're making probably better money. Yeah, comment below and let everybody know how much you've made off of it. Like and share and subscribe.